Hello everyone to our video number 3 of series most asked coding question to freshers in interview. So today we are going to take the topic which is check if a string is palindrome or not. So let's go to our IDE. First of all, let's discuss what is a palindrome. So palindrome is like if you read a string from front side or back side, it should be same. Example NITIN Nitin. If you read it from front side also it is Nitin, if you read it from back side it is Nitin. So if you completely reverse the string and it's still the same, then it is a palindrome. Okay, so what we did here till now, from scanner class we are reading an input from we will take the input from user, that is a string. Then we will create a method check palindrome and we will pass what input. And because we just see a small thing like NITN, if user passed first letter as capital and the last letter small case, so that can be a issue. So we will just maintain the casing here. So we can give us same type of casing, either uppercase or lowercase. So I'm just maintaining lowercase then to lowercase. Okay, so entire string will be in same casing. Okay, then we will create a method here. Okay, now what we will do, there are two ways. One, we can completely reverse a string and can store it in a different variable and then can compare the new variable with this lowercase our actual string, and then if both are same, then we can declare okay it is a palindrome, otherwise not. Otherwise what we can do, we can one by one, if this is our string, we can one by one compare first letter to the last letter, then second letter to second last letter, like that. So we are going to do the second approach because it is little optimal solution, because you don't need to do entire looping. Here it will be like if you go with first approach, you need to entire one by one you need to save entire thing into a different string, so that will be little complex. So we are going with second approach, that will compare the first letter with last letter, then second letter with second last letter. So for that what we will do, we will first save the first letter index and last letter index into integers. So first is left side, so that always be 0. Then right end will be, we can take it with lowercase dot length. And because our numbering starts with 0, and the dot length will give you the size, like if we check the size of this, it will gonna give you 4. Length of this, it will gonna give you 4, but because our indexing starts with 0, so what we will do, we will do -1 from here. Okay, now what we will do, we will do a for while loop, and till when we need to do this looping, that we can just check again by this example. Till when we need to do, first letter will be compared to last letter, second letter will be compared to second last letter. So our left we came to, our right is 3. Then if our left became 3 and right also 3, so on equal we don't need to do it. So till when we need to do it, when left is smaller than right, so left is smaller than right, till then we need to do it. Then what is the condition? Condition is the character at left should be equal to character at right, then we can continue doing the comparison. Otherwise we can break it there itself by saying it is not a palindrome. So we can go with negative condition itself. I will check it, lower dot character at left if not equal to lowercase dot character at right. Then what we can say, we can print system dot out dot print not a palindrome. and simply return the flow. Don't need to process it further. Otherwise, if this whole loop execute and there is no breaking of the loop, then in the end what we can say, system.out.println palindrome. Now there is one issue in this flow, that can you see it, like can you see it and check? Till now it looks fine, but there is a small issue. So the thing is, we take it 0 and the last index, but we did not do anything on this. We need to increase this and we need to decrease this one to continue the comparison. So that we are going to do here. Left will be, left we need to increase, right we need to decrease. That's the one thing that was pending. Now we can run it and check it. Now we will just enter this thing to check it. So it says it is a palindrome. Again we will give a negative case, that is n I m. I give it m. So if I give this, it says not a palindrome. So that is a easy way plus optimal way to check whether a string is palindrome or not. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.